In this walkthrough, we'll cover custom profile creation in Nono. We'll explore the helper commands that assist with curating sandbox policies for new agents that don't yet have a working policy in place. As you'll see, we're removing much of the guesswork. As agents run, any required grants can be automatically added to a new or existing profile. It's worth understanding upfront that policy in Nono is fully composable and extendable. You can start with a built-in group, then remove specific grants, add new ones, or build your own groups entirely. These all surface as profiles, and profiles can extend other profiles, letting you construct rich, layered, hierarchical policy that fits even a large organizational structure. Let's start by running Nono profile list. This shows 3 sections: built-in profiles, profiles installed via the Nono registry, and custom profiles stored on the user's machine. Let's take a look at the limited default profile. A list of built-in security groups is now displayed. Let's look at the deny credentials group. As you can see, this group covers files considered sensitive. We can also use the Y command to find the specific security classification for a given file. And as with every command in Nono, output is available in either human or machine-readable form. Now let's build a new profile. We'll inherit from the built-in limited default profile and create a new one for the Copilot CLI agent. We'll pass the -- full flag to generate a profile containing all available metadata. A quick note: we've chosen Copilot specifically because, at the time of recording, it hadn't yet been added to Nono, giving us a fresh footprint to work with. We can validate profiles at any time with the nono validate command, and we can also run a diff against any existing profile. Right, let's run the Copilot agent inside a sandbox using our newly minted profile. Immediately, a sandbox denial blocks execution. We're given 2 options: rerun the command with the -- allow flag to let Copilot create a directory within its own library location, or add this as a new rule to our existing Copilot profile. Let's do the latter. Now we can make a second pass, again using the Copilot profile. When building a profile, the idea is to iterate through, capturing everything you need. The sandbox intercepts another call. The agent wants to perform 2 actions. First, access Apple's keychain to store the user's Copilot login credentials. And second, it requests user preference read, which allows an application to write to Apple's security permissions. Because these carry a security context, we need to provide the override flag. For use of Nono within a highly regulated environment, an audit is captured of every command that runs. We use a cryptography-based ledger, with entries stored outside the sandbox itself via secure kernel primitives. We'll run another profile diff, and you can see we're building up a specific policy. Let's do one more pass, loading Copilot into the sandbox. This time we've completed a full agent startup, and we're inside its terminal user interface. We'll exit once more, and we can see that additional higher-level grants are needed for logging and state storage. You now have a complete agent-specific policy.